Hey there, it's Coach Nancy from The Watering Mouth, where we give you the mindset and the recipes to eat, to live, and love it for good. Today I've got a set of recipes, breakfast, lunch, dinner, what I eat in a day. These recipes actually come or were inspired from Dr. Joel Fuhrman's Quick and Easy Cookbook, and there'll be a link for that in the description as well as in our cheat sheets where you can get the recipes that I've modified from his book. So that is found at www.thewateringmouth.com/cheatsheets, where you can sign up for those. And also we have a 21-day Eat to Live challenge coming up. So while you're at the website, go ahead and opt in for the wait list so you can get information about when you can sign up for the Eat to Live challenge. 21 days of yummy eating, and the whole community is doing it together. So be sure you sign up for that, and I'll see you after the video.
Breakfast is a savory steel-cut oat recipe. This is a nice way to have oats, and they're not sweet. So it's a nice change. I combine the dry steel-cut oats with water and plain plant milk. I used soy for this. I've chopped onion and shredded carrots and some spices. When you use the electric pressure cooker, you can set it up the night before on a timer so that the oats are ready for breakfast. You can also make the recipe on the stove in a pan or make it ahead of time and reheat. Very versatile. The recipe in the cheat sheets has the directions for either way you want to do this. I'll serve these on a bed of chopped spinach with a bit of chopped green onion, Campari tomatoes, and some fresh basil. This makes a great dinner recipe as well as a yummy breakfast. Lunch is a Peachy Keen salad. You can easily substitute mango or fresh apricots in season for the peaches if you'd like. So I've cleaned some lettuce. I'm using romaine and red leaf. You can use whatever combo of greens you'd like to use. After this is chopped nicely, I'll place it in my favorite bowl for salad, a 2-quart Corelle serving bowl. Yep, I eat the whole thing. It makes a huge salad. Now I'll chop some green onions and strew them on top. I could easily use any kind of onions. I just have these and I want to use them. I've cooked some black lentils and these go on top. Now some fresh sweet peaches for a great punch, taste flavor burst in the salad. The dressing for this is terrific. I'm making a variation of a Dr. Fuhrman recipe by adding in some peaches, a peach actually. Some fresh orange juice and a bit of orange zest go in next. Some garlic. Oh, this is a huge clove. I'll save some for the next recipe. I'm going to use a little of my favorite Napa Valley Naturals Grand Reserve 4% acidity balsamic. You can use any flavored vinegar you'd like to, or just balsamic, your choice. Now this is a beautifully thick and creamy dressing. It makes enough to have on hand for another day. Lunch is served. Dinner is a unique recipe that I discovered some great uses of besides being a fabulous dinner. You'll find those ideas in the cheat sheets. I cut up a small head of cauliflower and some Brussels sprouts. I'm using the 6-quart electric pressure cooker again, my Instapot. I add some sweet onion. Can you see my little dog at my feet? That's Linus. He says hey. I'll add a little water and then I'll briefly cook these just so they're steamed through. I'll do a quick release with a dish rag over the top to catch the steam. Oops, you just got a steam bath. Sorry about that. Probably not good for the camera. So all the veggies go in the Vitamix along with some walnuts and the rest of that large garlic I cut earlier. And I will whirl this up. I've added a little bit of the liquid. You may need to add more to get it moving. We're kind of making something like mashed potatoes. Now it's all smooth and creamy. This is a tummy-warming recipe for a cool evening. I'll serve this up with some chives to add a nice touch. All right, mashed Cauli-Sprout for dinner. Enjoy.
Okay, do those recipes look good? Quick and easy, and maybe a little bit different than you've been making. So I hope you add these to your repertoire. Remember, the 21-day challenge is coming up, so go to www.thewateringmouth.com and sign up for the wait list to opt in for that. Get information right to your mailbox, your email box when it's available. And also sign up for those cheat sheets so you can get these recipes. So I hope you love it, because this is Coach Nancy at The Watering Mouth, where we give you the mindset and the recipes to eat to live and love it for good.